The OnePlus 11 5G is our most capable device yet. An upgraded Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset delivers improved gaming performance, energy efficiency, and image processing capabilities, with up to 16GB of RAM. Battery health engine improves health and longevity, while still delivering ultra-fast charging speeds with 80W SuperVOOC. The OnePlus 11 features a powerful triple camera system with Hasselblad ambient photography, capable of producing pro-grade portraits and industry-leading color reproduction. With a stunning 6.7-inch display, the OnePlus 11 is an entertainment powerhouse, with a high-fidelity audio and visual experience. Your favorite alert slider, a new bold design, and blistering performance meet the OnePlus 11 5G. Dual SIM, support 2 physical SIMs or 1 eSIM and 1 physical SIM at the same time. High refresh rate, 120Hz Fluid AMOLED display for smooth scrolling and cinematic viewing experience. Premium camera, co-developed with Hasselblad, featuring 50MP main, 48MP ultra-wide, and 32MP telephoto cameras. Long battery life, 5000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging, provides extended usage. Smooth performance, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset delivers increased CPU and GPU performance.